In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up a cluttered Notion workspace efficiently. Having a workspace filled with unnecessary documents and outdated projects can be overwhelming. But with a few simple steps, you can have it streamlined and organized in no time. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we need to head over to your connected workspace. This is where all your wikis, documents, and project files reside. If you haven't already logged into Notion, that's our next step. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials, taking you directly into your personalized Notion environment. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Notion home. This is essentially your hub, the starting point from where you can access all the various areas of your workspace. It's important to periodically come back to this home area as it allows you to get an overview of everything you're currently working on and prioritize what needs to be addressed. Now, let's tackle the clutter. Find the trash icon in the navigation. Clicking on trash will show you items you may have deleted in the past but are still lingering around. Sometimes we delete items thinking they're not needed, but we forget to permanently remove them. This is the space where they end up. With the trash open, it's time to purge and reclaim some valuable storage space. Carefully review the contents here. You might find documents, notes, or projects that you know for sure are no longer needed. For those, simply click on Delete to permanently remove them from your workspace. Remember though, be certain. Once items are permanently deleted, you won't be able to retrieve them. As you clear out unnecessary clutter from your workspace, you'll likely feel a sense of relief. A clean workspace not only helps you find things more easily, but it also enhances your focus and productivity. It allows you to concentrate on what truly matters without the distraction of outdated or irrelevant content. One last thought before we wrap up. Make it a habit to regularly revisit these steps. Keeping your workspace tidy is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Allocate a few minutes weekly or monthly to ensure that your Notion workspace remains as organized and productive as possible. And there you have it. A cleaner, more efficient Notion workspace. Thanks for watching, and remember, a decluttered workspace is a big step towards a decluttered mind. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy organizing!